transform your lash artistry career through self-love and self-care. Hi everybody, I hope this video inspires you and keeps pushing you forward in your lashing career. I know it is hard, I know it is difficult, but trust me, be patient with yourself. After you overcome these obstacles, you will thrive as a lash artist. Just continue going and do not give up. It is so great to be connecting with you guys today. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about transforming your lash artistry career through self-love and self-care. Being a successful lash artist is more than just skill. You need to be willing to invest in yourself by nurturing and upholding your well-being. I am here to discuss how to successfully prioritize yourself so you can show up as your best self in the workplace. So let's get started. Self-love is basically an attitude. You gotta show up every day, proving to the world and your clients that you value yourself. It's a form of respect towards yourself that shows in your thoughts, your words, and your actions. And self-care is the practice of taking care of your physical body, your mental state, and your emotional state. It's doing activities that help you to recharge and rebalance yourself and feel balanced overall, especially because dealing with clients day in and day out can be very exhausting. Trust me, you're dealing with clients every single day for a couple of hours, and these people come in with different energies, different vibes, different issues, and you absorb all that. And by the end of the day, you're physically, mentally, and emotionally drained because your clients take so much out of you, and it's so hard to deal with that on a daily basis. As to why, I want to share with you how to do self-care and self-love for yourself. With that being said, now let's look at how self-care and self-love can help your career as a lash artist. Self-love can help you stay focused on the big picture while performing tasks and all of the little details that come along with being self-employed. When you are focused, you can create more accurate and professional results for your clients. Self-care will help you balance your work with other aspects of your life and give you the strength and energy to serve your clients better than ever. Here are some great examples that you can start showing self-love and self-care as a lash artist. Number one, make sure to get enough sleep. As lash artists, we constantly are hustling, working really hard, doing extensive hours of deep focus and deep looking into lashes, and we forget that we have to be well rested in order to function properly. So my biggest recommendation is get at least a minimum of 8 hours per day of sleep, and if you can't get that, get some naps in between the day. A 30-minute, 5-minute nap makes a huge difference. So make sure to feel well rested every single day before starting your workday. Number two, practice some mindfulness. This will help you have a clear focus during the day, and it will also help with stress and anxiety. With this, you can do some meditating, some self-reflection, some journaling. Let everything out. That way, when you approach your client, you're not coming in with such a heavy energy, and you're going in so lightweight that they don't feel any of your bad vibes. Sometimes talking to a friend helps as well, especially after a long day of just absorbing other people's energy. And sometimes it can be negative energy, or it's not even negative, it's just like thick energy that you can't shake off. My biggest recommendation is to talk to somebody, whether it's your boyfriend, your husband, your girlfriend, your best friend, your mom, whoever it is. Talk to them and let them know, hey, can I just vent to you for 5 minutes? I don't want feedback, I just need a vent. And just let everything out. Sometimes a good vent helps a lot. Trust me, I know, because personally it helped me. I would personally either talk to my boyfriend or my therapist. And here's my other tip that I highly recommend anybody and everybody who's in a difficult situation or just deals with a lot of people on a day-to-day basis is going to therapy. I know I'm no one to tell you to go to therapy, but personally, in my personal experience, therapy has helped me a lot. I've been going to therapy since I was maybe 15 years old. So I've been going to therapy for some time now, and therapy has helped me a ton, especially as I'm growing, I'm maturing, I'm getting older, my mindset is changing, and I'm constantly second doubting myself and constantly in my head. So therapy really helps to ground me and give me like a base to be like, okay, Tati, let's recenter, let's refocus and see, is this issue really an issue? Therapy is a must. Take a spa day once a month if you can. Take a spa day for yourself or go get a massage. You know, we're sitting down for hours on end and our body gets so tired, and especially our arms, our neck, and our shoulders and back area, we need to be a little bit kinder to ourselves. Go get a massage, go to the spa. If you live in LA, go to the Korean spas. Korean spas are amazing. I will link a couple down below that I personally love and that I highly recommend you. They're inexpensive, super easy to access, and they're not that far from downtown LA if you are in the LA area. Finally, schedule some regular breaks for yourself. Taking time for yourself throughout the day will help you to ensure that you're refreshed and focused on your best work. Because remember, we want to give quality work to our clients in order for them to come back. And that comes down to a lot of our personality as well. If we have a great personality, great sense of humor, and we constantly have this light aura and vibration around us, we're gonna attract more clients to come in and the current clients to want to keep returning. Because imagine if you go get your lashes done with some girl that just is negative, she doesn't look good, she looks tired and just doesn't appeal great. So you're gonna be like, I don't know if I want to continue going to her. I'm not saying every single day you have to get dressed, do your makeup or anything like that. You can do your overnight curls. I would always wear a uniform, so my uniform was always wearing all black, so I looked simple and put together. Wear something like that and put your best foot forward. I wouldn't do my makeup or anything. I just throw on some brows, some moisturizer, curl my lashes with my curler, because all day I was wearing my mask. I didn't want my foundation and the mask when we break out and stuff, so I didn't want to do that. So make it simple and easy for you, but look presentable. Put your best foot forward for your clients and for yourself, because at the end of the day, this is something that you're creating for yourself in your future and your desires and endeavors that you're trying to pursue. And lastly, fire a client that's not good for you. We have tons of clients, and there's some clients that are extremely emotionally and mentally draining. Fire those clients. Do not be scared to get rid of clients that are not suitable for you. Because remember, in order for us to give our best to our clients, we have to feel our best. And if our client is personally negative or just have such an awful attitude, why do you keep allowing them into your home or into your lash space? Your lash space should be full of positive vibes, positive energy, because that also determines your clientele's returning reoccurrence. Your clients, like I said previously, return to you because of your positive vibe, positive attitude. That means you have to keep that positive vibe, positive attitude consistent. People like consistency. And if you're consistent in your energy and who you allow as a client, that shows you respect yourself, because you wouldn't let some stranger yell at you, be late on you, be rude to you, right? So why do you allow clients to? I know you need clients and you need money and you need to grow your clientele, but don't be desperate. Be very, very picky about who your client is. Don't allow negative people into your environment, and you'll have the best clients. And like I've said in my other videos, I have a video that I talk about how to find your perfect clientele. I'll link it up here. But in this video, I state something that I think it's so important. Figure out who your ideal client is. How do you want to feel after your client, and how do you want that client to treat you? In order for you to have success in lashing, you need to know who your perfect client is. So let's say your client is someone who's on time, who respects you, who only talks about great positive things. That's who your ideal client is. Now look for those and get very, very specific. And trust me, this will help you and help your business so much. I hope this helps you. I hope this inspired you in some way, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Of course, share this video to your other lash artist friends so they can also know that this is a community for other lash artists to inspire one another and each other. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tatiana Garcia. I truly and genuinely appreciate you taking the time of watching this video. I've been a lash artist for over 5 years, and today and every day I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys here on YouTube about everything I've learned and I wish I would have done when I was a lash artist. I retired in December 2022 and it was a beautiful time as a lash artist. I enjoyed every moment of it. However, it was time to move on to different endeavors. But I am still sharing my knowledge with you guys, hopefully inspiring you every single day.